wait for the P state to expire and see what happens when the Koopa bounces off the muncher to the right rather than... Nope, nope, nope. It's going to already... Maybe the far, far right muncher. Other bombs, okay. P state and wait for the Koopa. Ugh, don't think I need fire anymore. And now I expect you to bounce back and forth as long as I like. Ah, that's the detail I was missing. Okay, so now I can stand here and think very carefully. Now. Or now. 3 on-offs as fast as I can. Ah, I think I did too many, but it worked out. Oh, and one more. Oh, there we go. Took too many tries to figure out how to time that last section. For some reason, I didn't realize that it would safely bounce there as long as I liked if I waited for the P state to expire.